Hey, Kevin, good to see you.
Likewise.
So you have taken this wall a long way for us. This is awesome.
Yep, we got side-by-side custom bookcases with a lowered cabinet with some shaker panel doors.
Love those.
The one challenge I'm facing right now is making this mantelpiece pop. This is the center point of the living room, and I'd like to give the homeowners some options and see what sticks.
And how'd you build this one here?
Yeah, so I took this custom piece of 4-inch crown. We have our standard crown profile into a fillet, a half round, and then back into another Roman OG.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so I'm thinking we add an 8-inch version here, and we add another 8-inch version here.
Let's do it.
So we're gonna take that 4-inch crown, and we're gonna cut 2 outside miters, 8 inches apart. Also, we're gonna cut 2 returns.
And then a little bit of glue, some pin nails, and we're all set. Where do you want to land these?
All right, Kev, let's center these in this space here. See how it looks.
Definitely beefs it up.
That's not bad, but I have an idea. How about we send these out to the edge?
Okay. Oh yeah, look at that.
I don't mind that at all.
No, when you see it, I like that too. Sort of feels like it's holding up that mantle. Let me just snap a photo before we move on. We're gonna have the homeowners look at that. All right, so
Nice.
that's one option.
So now option 2, let's say we flare this molding out and we wing it out here, carry it through, terminating it about yay. Let's try that.
Okay.
We're gonna take the same 4-inch crown and we're gonna rip the top off, and then we're gonna take the bottom profile, cut an inside 45 for our copes, and an outside 45 for our mitered returns. There we go.
Ooh, I like that too, to be honest with you.
I think it might be the look that they're looking for.
Yeah, let's send some photos. Really nice job, Kevin. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.